Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Telegram trading bot. First, you'll need to choose a programming language like Python for its extensive libraries. Next, set up your development environment and install necessary packages for API interaction. We will then outline the core components, including data fetching, strategy execution, and order placement. This foundational knowledge is crucial for creating an efficient and reliable automated trading system. Integrating with Exchange APIs is paramount for your bot to function. You'll need to handle authentication carefully, often involving API keys and secrets. Focus on fetching real-time market data, such as price, volume, and order book information, which is essential for informed trading decisions. Remember to manage rate limits effectively to avoid getting blocked by the exchange. This ensures your bot operates smoothly without interruption. A well-defined trading strategy is the heart of your bot. Decide on your indicators and conditions for buying and selling. Crucially, integrate robust risk management, such as setting stop-loss orders and position sizing, to protect your capital. Backtesting your strategy with historical data is vital to assess its profitability and identify potential weaknesses before deploying it live. This disciplined approach minimizes potential losses. After thorough testing, deploy your bot to a cloud server like AWS or DigitalOcean for 24/7 operation. Continuous monitoring of its performance is essential to identify and address any issues promptly. Regularly review your strategy and optimize parameters based on market conditions and backtesting results. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This iterative process ensures your bot remains effective and profitable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.